and welcome to the English language class, students. So in today's class, let us revise pronoun through an activity. So students, do you know what are pronouns? Okay, I will tell you. The words which are used in place of noun are called pronoun. जो वर्ड नाउन की जगह पर यूज किए जाते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं pronoun. The words which are used in place of noun are called pronoun. Like he, she, it, I, they, you, and we. Yes, so here we will use these pronouns with some examples. Okay, so let's start our today's class. Okay, so this is a boy. The boy is fishing. The boy is very happy. Students, does it look nice using boy again and again? No, very good. Instead of using boy again and again, we have another option. We are going to use he. Okay? Like, this is a boy. He is fishing. He is very happy. He is wearing one hat. Okay? Now next, let's take the another pronoun. Here is a girl. So, the girl is playing with the doll. The girl is smiling. The girl is wearing top and jeans. The girl is wearing red hairband. So students, does it look nice using the girl again and again? No, na. Instead of using the girl, we are going to use the pronoun she. Now let's revise. This is a girl. She is playing with doll. She is wearing top and jeans. She is smiling. She is wearing one red hairband. So students, we use pronoun she in the place of a girl or female. Okay? And use he in place of boy or man. Okay? Now next, look at this picture, students. This is bear and this is elephant. So students, in place of animals, we use the pronoun it. So in place of things also, we are going to use the word it. Okay? We will use the pronoun it with animals and things. For example, this is a bear. The bear is holding an handkerchief. So no, instead of using the bear, we are going to use it. It is a fat bear. It is holding handkerchief. Okay? Now next is, this is an elephant. The elephant is having a huge trunk. Is it look nice? No, na? So we will say, this is an elephant. It is having a huge trunk. It is a fat elephant. Okay? Now, this is a kite. It is colorful. This is my house. It is very big. So students, in place of animals, things, fruits, vegetables, we are going to use the pronoun it. But remember one thing, when we are talking about one animal, one thing, one fruit, one vegetable, we are going to use the pronoun it. Okay students? Always keep in mind students, when we talk about plural pronoun like persons, animals, places or things etc., we are going to use the particular pronoun they and we. Okay, like they are playing in rain, they are running. We are going to use they when you are not involved in any kind of activity and you are talking about third person which is far from you and they are in group. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? We are going to use they. Okay? They are playing in rain. They are running. Okay? Now we are going to school. We are going to use we. Suppose this is me and my brother. Okay? So we are going to use we like we are going to school. We are talking to each other because you are involved in this activity. You are present in this photograph and you are involved in this activity. So we are going to use we. Okay? We are going to school. We are talking. Students, we will talk about pronoun I for me and myself. Like this boy wants to introduce himself. So he will speak, I am a boy. I am 6 years old. I study in class first. So when we want to introduce ourselves, we are going to use the pronoun I. Okay? But if we want to talk to someone, we will use the pronoun you. Like, if this boy is talking to this boy, then this boy will say, Hey Rohan, how are you? In which class do you study? Where are you going? So have you seen students that we use pronoun you when we talk to someone and he is in front of you? Yes? I hope this concept is very much clear to you all. So students, you must try this activity at your home. You can use your old book or you can draw either. Okay? So now do this activity and send me the videos. Now bye bye, take care and stay safe.